Today's Gospel. Mark 9:2-10. The Transfiguration. 6 days later Jesus took with him Peter, James, and John, and led them up a high mountain, whereat they were alone. As they looked on, a change came, shining Jesus, and his clothes became shining whiter than anyone in the world could wash them. Then the 3 disciples saw Elijah and Moses talking with Jesus. Peter spoke up and said it to Jesus. "Teacher, how good is it that we are here? We will make 3 tents, one for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah." He and the others were so frightened that he did not know what to say. Then a cloud appeared and covered them with its shadow, and a voice came from the cloud, "This is my own dear son, listen to him." They took a quick look around but did not see anyone else. Only Jesus was with them. As they came down the mountain, Jesus ordered them, "Don't tell anyone what you have seen, until the Son of Man has risen from death." They obeyed his order. Viewed among themselves, they started discussing the matter. What does this rising from death mean? The Word of God. Psalm 91.
The most effective prayer in times of needs.
God our protector.
Whoever goes to the Lord for safety, whoever remains under the protection of the Almighty can say to him,
You are my defender and protector. You are my God. In you I trust.
He will keep you safe from all hidden dangers and from all deadly diseases. He will cover you with his wings. You will be safe in his care. His faithfulness will protect and defend you. You need not fear any dangers at night or sudden attacks during day or the plagues that strike in the dark or the evils that kill in daylight. 1,000 may fall dead beside you, 10,000 all around you, but you will not be harmed. You will look and see how the wicked are punished. You made the Lord your defender, the Most High your protector, and so no disaster will strike you. No violence will come near your home. God will put his angels in charge of you to protect you wherever you go. They will hold you up with their hands to keep you from hurting your feet on the stones. You will trample down lions and snakes, fierce lions and poisonous snakes. God says,
I will save those who love me, and will protect those who acknowledge me as Lord. When they call to me, I will answer them. When they are in trouble, I will be with them. I will rescue them and unearth them. I will reward them with long life. I will save them.